Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note, comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of the JK Vlog. So, ang inyong lingkod, ito hindi pa ako nakakapag-ayos. Mamaya pagdating ko pa dun sa venue, yung mga angels tulog. Doon si Elona sa harap siya mag-host ng ating meet and greet today. As always, sobrang matraffic. As in, umalis pala kami mga alas 11 siguro. O, yan o. Basta naman. Dito na tayo guys! Woo! Ah, ang init. Wala na iwan? Okay, go. Nandito na po tayo sa ating venue. Okay, saan na yun? Ah, here! Tcha-chan! Okay guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. What's up, my Labradoodles? Welcome back to another episode of the JK Vlogs! And oh my gosh, I'm so feeling myself right now. Kasi ang cute ng makeup ko. Diba? Fresh siya. Girl. Bakit ang puti? Parang may white ka. Sunod na ng kulay ng balat mo, Ana. Diba? Andito na tayo sa ating mini meet and greet. So, 30 lang muna yung ma-invite namin, guys. Pasensya na. Pero, definitely, it's a promise. Once we hit a certain amount of subscribers in the channel, probably I might do meet and greet na walang limited seats. Kahit sino pwedeng pumunta. Okay? So, ayan guys. Here are the products that we will be using for today. Of course, ito meet and greet na to is sponsored by BYS. Sobrang love ko talaga tong metals at saka tong berries na palette nila. Amazing! So, bam, bam, bam!
Ayan, so
say hi, Lana.
Hi! So ayan, nag-practice na ako na rin hosting skills. Kasi later on, ako yung nag-host ng meet and greet Miss Inday. Charot. Miss Chris Lumagid. Ang mag-iis.
Mayardomang Chris Lumagid.
So you're vlogging?
Yes, of course. Ayan. Susundo na natin ang meet and greet ni Ate Chris.
Ikaw ba ito dito? Oo. Ikaw yung kaya.
Ito yung bus niyo. Number 7. Yung bus.
JD on. Hello girl. Dahil yung meet and greet Miss Chris Lumagid, I think ito yung konti lang nila ba ito? Basta din na sila meet and greet, and then collaboration with BYS at PH.
First of all, thank you so much guys for being here. I know it's quite a travel going to Makati kasi ito kasi 3 hours to get here. Hindi nag-travel ng more than 3 hours. Thank you so much. Yung mga isang camping lang napunta dito, thank you! Thank you, that's Makati.
Ako po si Jennifer. Ako yung palengke.
So, what's that about? Game.
Gusto talaga yung kulot. May kulot.
From York City. Sigurado ko uwi tayo dyan na.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin at si Chris At ito ang aming simple life. Don't mag-comment down below. Please like and share this video.
So yun na nga. Thank you so much talaga sa pumunta ng meet and greet ni Miss Chris Limagi. And of course, sa BYS Cosmetics and Center for Aesthetic Studies for giving us this opportunity. O, diba? Ako na nag-vlog. So, sa mga nagpunta po, thank you so much. Nag-enjoy talaga sila. Siyempre, diba?
So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for joining us in this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Salamat sa mga nagpunta. Again, promise talaga, we are gonna have another meet and greet. Nandun si Justin, the entire JK fam, you know, na wala ng limited slots. Thank you, thank you, thank you.